Here's how you can create a breakpoint that only gets triggered when another breakpoint is hit. To add one, right-click on the left side and select Insert Dependent Breakpoint. Or alternatively, just hover over an existing one and click Settings. Make sure to check Only Enable when following breakpoint is hit option. This will require a second breakpoint. Let's place one at line 10. Now click on the dropdown and select the relevant breakpoint. In our case, it's located in program CS file at line 10. Now do bear in mind that this will pause the app twice, since we do have 2 breakpoints. If you want to skip the first one, you can turn it into a trace point. Just hover over it, click Settings, and make sure to check the Actions and Continue Code Execution option. If you now run the app in debug mode, you will only get stopped once inside the print method when you get an odd number, and every other call will be ignored. Now this doesn't just have to end there. You can actually chain together any number of breakpoints. What? So you could go and insert another trace point at, let's say, line 6. Update the settings of the original one and set it to depend on the new trace point. That's something that can be of use when you want to depend on multiple breakpoints. And there we go. You now know how to use dependent breakpoints.